Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. This is me, Zishan Hassan. Welcome to Zishan Hassan YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the reasons of failure in audit assurance exam. Right, so reasons of audit assurance FA exams um, are number one, the biggest blunder made by the students mostly is they do not understand the requirement. They do not read the requirement carefully, and they they do write irrelevant things into the answer which examiner has not asked for, and simply that causes to failure. Simple as that. Even examiner in most of the reports, she says that students do not understand the requirement. Students do not understand the requirement. They keep repeating this sort of mistakes. That's the reason. Number two. Number two reason is that number two reason is that they do read the requirements, right? But they do not follow the recommended the answer writing format which has been asked by the examiner. So that's another reason. So always try to follow that format which has been recommended by the examiner. Number three reason, you guys either write too much. When you write too much in the exam, so always obviously you write irrelevant stuff as well, and for irrelevant stuff you won't get the marks at all. That will only lead to waste your time, and due to that you do not able to complete the exam on time, right? Or either if you write too less in the exam, obviously you do not complete the requirements, uh, com- complete the question, or you do not. So that will be another reason that you will fail. So how much to write, how to write, you will only get by practicing. Number four reason. Number four reason that mostly I have read in the on the social media that various students ask for the advice from other students that how to study audit assurance FA paper, and they are like, dude, just focus on the study textbook, read it. It's very simple paper, and go for it. You'll pass the paper. Really? Well, if in it's a skill level exam, and if you only focus on the knowledge based area, knowledge with the knowledge based area, bookish knowledge, you will only able to score 25 to 30 marks. That means and here it comes. Even in the application based questions, long questions, what they do write the knowledge from the book, and they do not connect the knowledge with the application of the scenario, and there you go, you will get half of the marks. And do you think you can pass with the half of the marks? I hope you're getting that. Why? What's the reason that you're failing? I hope you're getting now. um, so what to do? Improve your skills that you can now connect your knowledge with the application of scenarios. Another big, big blunder made by students, even she, the examiner, complain lot of times. You guys do mix substantive procedures with test of controls with substantive procedures. That means when she asks for the substantive procedures, you guys do write the test of controls. When she asks for the test of controls, you write the substantive procedures, vice versa. Obviously, irrelevant answer will lead you to a failure. and how to improve how to write the substantive procedure, how to write the test of control is another complaint by the examiner that you don't guys don't know. Most of the time, you write the incomplete substantive procedure. You write the incomplete test of controls will lead to failure in exam. And do you know that this substantive procedure, this test of controls are so much important that mostly its weightages in the exam is like more than 40% to 50% marks. Another reason you fail. Another reason. And what's that? Simply, you guys do ignore the knowledge of financial reporting, financial accounting, F7, F3 knowledge from your exams, from to revise. You forgot that, and you do not remember at the time. Most you do not dis, touch those points of the finance accounting. You lose the marks. That's why you lose the marks, and you fail this paper. So now, what to do? Simply, these are the reasons that this paper has only the passing rate between 30 to 35%, and this is a worry of concerns. And these mistakes are so much unbearable. That's why you fail. Now, if you want to know that how to pass audit assurance paper, please do let me know in the comments of this video. Also, if you find any of the mistakes you making in the exams, uh, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the bell icon. Also share this video with others so that maybe this video can help others as well. So also, I'm asking you again, if you want to know that how to pass this paper, do comment in this video. Until then, bye bye.